Today I'm going to show you how to allow additional information sharing with business partners in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting that controls how your data may be shared with business partners, and if you want to manage it properly, this tutorial will walk you through exactly where to find it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and platform tutorials. Now let's get started. First, log into your x.com account and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom of that menu, click More. This opens up additional options that are not shown in the main sidebar. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account, privacy and security controls in one place. Once the settings page opens, click Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage how your account shares information and how your activity is handled on the platform. Next, click Data Sharing with Business Partners. Inside this menu, you'll find the option related to additional information sharing. Now look for Allow Additional Information Sharing with Business Partners and toggle it on. Once you switch it on, the setting is enabled and X will allow that additional sharing preference on your account. That's all you need to do. Just remember, if you ever want to change it again later, you can come back to the same menu and turn it off the same way. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.